Asiafo. What's MPP for my Jimmy Pa? A bit of my Jimmy, Mamma say, almost a president, Mamma by or Chichomo. May Diana Mea Momo Chemi. My penny Mamma crowd, no any papa, me and Kamechimwa Chinana Kufado Kraka. Asiafo. MPP party nebegu. Me good party, no more Moshe. Because also for what you for sika no to her. For sika no to her. Momo kwa kokume Owusu Bempah. Mo party no mukura na nyemea. Na nyame na afre me. Same nyame na meso ahyenkom 2013. Na afena mo no Diana bedi akire nkom hye no enu nti no yemfa me nkoto akuse na ono dam pare se obesi to it se ye de me be kwa akotom akuse na obedi machi ate so mbe jeli me sa no ono e kan
listen Reverend Owusu Bempah NDC2 Rasmu Barak I am me boss tell you catch a Ghana for say Tamana Reverend Owusu Bempah basi NDC for no Reverend Owusu Bempah Bawumia say yamano oshakers aman farmer no if you want to start to say or criticize NDC day in and day out every day NDC is because of that. What's the President Mahama to be your president? That is my information. The information is say there's video actualities twice our guy say President Mahama to be your president. But today President Mahama, by the grace of God, is the president of this country, and we are all enjoying these microeconomic indicators. And then yet we took a scale, and then inflation, dollar in
none will be say,
you Owusu Bempah. You do better me, but the one cannot sort of demon, man of God, the piano, sir. Man of God, the beauty, come on, sorry, the piano, I said it is to
Everything shows that Prophet Isaac Owusu Bempah is still not happy with the MP party because Sunday we could blame more Prophet Isaac Owusu Bempah sorry Ebusia. And say the Prophet Edwin Komachi will say there's no way of allow Bawumia to become president in Ghana. Now we yakoto aba oni bibi a oni obeto abama MPP no obedumini pane.
Dan pare say ya shane say onhwe se obejeli Owusu Bempah ewo akuse ya France akuse baby am kosi hospital even am kosi ankafo na kosi hospital enya ona no mso mo de make call enya ankafo akuse akosomo prison bi wa akosomo kwano so ya fe na Kroni di akuse prison wo na say na ehone nsawam hefa na nka ban akuse ni nsawam hefa na ban akuse momu wa ho tinkan konfo kwenti me mesra me asiafo won MPP for ma Jimmy pa ebinu ma Jimmy ma menchi o ma say almost a president mama buy o cheche o mo me dia na me ma momo chemi ama penny mama crowd no we ni papa me anka mechimwa china na kufu ado kraka asiafo me pa chao we MPP ni na wode man ma won ka ho bi ne ka MPP for kwasiafo na obo plan fa me ho no wo de wo ye nyansani enti MPP party na begu me gu party na mo de amonhwe because also for what you for sika no to her for sika no to her momo kwa kokume Owusu Bempah mo party no mukura na nyemea na nyame na afre me e ba chodu sika na to her mom dia me pese me taache mo nsam also for munhwe oil mu bo mu mame mo dia me pese me taache mo nsam mo pe na me taache mo nsam Same nyame na me so ahyenkom 2013 na afena mo no Piana bedi akyire nkomhye no. Enu nti no, nyemfa me nkoto akuse. Na ono da mpare se obesi to it se yede me bekọ akotom akuse. Na obedi machi ate so mbeje ni me. Saa no ono eka. Enu nti ne ebo no ntutuo. IGP aya bo ntutuo. IGP ye huro no ho. Sa ebe mi mu na me kasa ya munya na me kasa na enseme ehye mi mu na doso moma me nka na bi mpie mfiri mi mu nko because nkrofo na me bone ma ye omo papa no mo de bone atwia me papa ye ka what ma say on say ya wonim sa fast na ya pa wonim sa fast na ya na ma ya fasting edu anadwo amena me no ma bompa ya sa for 9 months continuously 3 times a week. Ewo mi fie ha. Mr. Albert wa ha ma sorebra. Mr. Albert. Honorable Albert sorebra. Una do mo bae sorebra. Mr. Albert. Eno koka chanti amabuzi aso sofo na o hye nkom se na na kufu ado take lead. But ontimi nwini omie nkohu no ene so ba be hu me no mata ache mo nsem mo fa sum die nkotrase enhran kam brana before you kakranus what's it say waso I have the office honorable anyway Albert ada ofere Miss Albert, I was on Crawford on winning man in ye. Who said, oh, yeah, me know me and one dip him. Why the differ? What you can cry? I am in a differ. Money man, I'm here. Miss Albert, one in ferry and tea. Okay. And here and tell my boozy and in ferry and tea. And I'm a more winning a baha and a kufa the wife. Oh, Bahanama, me know you're fine. What must ye? First lady, I'm warfare. Yeah, you're fine. I feel most of me to make quack too. Can you my penny mamma and come to me cotton? The patch of 500 Ghana for Mumra. We go 500 online for so for more capture oil, no more touching. No screens. 500 cedis, Mumra. Miss Albert, meanwhile, you obey me a contrast here, point brand office. Nation come. Wife, oh yeah. I then MPP for the years. They can't, if he's out on a video. The only day I've been into the MPP. It's 2028, you know, Omo Pebe Dintina. Me cast one be man confirm the dimatem, and no crown me pay. Omo dimatem no, na me say omo more. Ha, me say omo MPP. Ewuradia. Me omo man who say to me, Yesu, dia, and or dia mami. Adia me MPP for power Ghana Kromha. MPP for. And to Hana MPP near, and Owusu due. Because 2020 me be case MPP for you now. Bawumia Jesus. Adia bechia me ato abana make case MPP 2028. Obi bia beto abana me MPP bia nyame no me betena so onkwa na nyina. Na ensema me case bi ni. Afena me be keka nsem o. Me be kansem papa. Dia me ka bia so ebesi. Wodi timi ya bo se. No me no na di wachi wo no abusu ya nyina. Hwe. Na mon samra no be kume. Wanya. Onu be wu na me me wo ho. Asiafo. Me pa cho for affordable no true. Okay. Osofo, montachi o munsem mame. Me kan sem si ankofo free sa me kasa kwa. Anti me kasa kwa o. Hwe. Ana me yase ankofo free so Owusu Bempah otwa nanum. Omo hye da nimi ana. Me ntwa manum o. De me ka bia besimisi 2028 on be we. Wo de body atito. Hey. Awuradia. Me pacho 200 Ghana also sorry bra. Wo dia wo MPP ni na. Mo cry yen hia mo bibia. Yen hia mo hwe. Sem fu apa. Ah. Enipa ya konchena bompa ya mamu sei. Ah? Sister Tina.
Okay.
Ah. No mu nyina wu sa. Ah. One say MPP for patch on my MPP. One so more patch on my MPP for me. Dia mo ya me mo anya mi. Mo wia na mo say di matem. Se me bufu so a no ma kofa nkwasiafo ma ya bi o mo nim ti sem ponchirani no mo didi matem. MPP. Mo nim na mo sam obi be didi matem bi ma o. Meto me Bawumia dia besi down. Ena na me ka kire mo ye nkwasiafo party. Emmoa. Osofo, monta fancy kana to na. Osofo monta chi obi anu ko chance. Stupid people. Asiafo MPP. Ma bobo dampa, ma jimi. Mo sori amoso aban we echeche mo. O mo cheche hwan. No mo ye demonstration. Na bi no e na fu say you no dimbi. O ye den demonstration. Moa. Sa no mo die hwe hopes na doye, sa no mo ye no. Hopes na doye. O mo chi no for nothing. Hopes na doye. Asiafo. Na mo de me twen ene me de makoma na ba fom. Na election time no duru a met dismantle mo metetimo wo de mo be wo de na yemo se Bawumia be president e o Ghana ha why Ghana krom ha mo ho ya mesre asiafo adentro some de handcuff bomb is a bompem abra drip esimeso ana no mu fi se me ka se me ho mfa no mu fi se me boana so mu fi se da bre na o nti baby a de drip na se no e ho no mu de handcuff na bona o se de twa me nsa me busa na o se order from above and there's also Bempah any hopes na do I say ana tina mo yes ofo sa no ma twitu so etu so be shoot and there's also Bempah any hopes na do o be shoot o ade o say order from above asia order from Unini mo sitri so asiafo me pa cha 400 Ghana na bra 400 Ghana bra asiafo na mo MPP ade ameya mo no e o Ghana kro me ne mo mienu Ghana ya ma bufu kran sa wo kan o mu sa di watem inse so me kasa o mu ya sorry na ma ba be patch o ye mu sa di matem opposition ho dia mo betra ho sa na mo mu pese mu fi opposition na ho na enkotra mo mpe opposition no ho na pe e di mu fi se NDC fon fa power ne mamo no mo enkotra opposition wanya edi akonya opposition kakra mo tene musu entinka o man pani ma mo so ni fra konya no so na nkonfa ma mo ana asedi okay ana NDC di omudi akonya na enye ye amamo no mu bu no ene mo de no de he na na ye mo ba enye ska no ma be di mo diska kenoforia chajani akotena brochiri wa digana ska jani akotena brochiri pasiafo
ebusia prophet in comedy and didn't go well for me to the extent say and now me no can say strabo and is the guy be din komo na nkomodie no ati say the same pina na be sign about social media no so me so do mo say ansi na be ko no subscribe page ni adama no so me say na me upload yan so na osa ebetima ka ebisa mo maye mbowra na naziga any struggle de no so no ento aso kwa ma.
Yes, Reverend Owusu Bempah. I wanted to talk about that, but let me rest my case there. Reverend Owusu Bempah.
Yeah.
You see, say, now sorry, the begu.
Oh.
Yes, the begu. Oh, pass my market to the wall. Be maker.
Evangelist.
Listen, say, in my days, I started reading psychological books or take answer and be defiant, no, I'm defaming, no, I'm doing something this way. I deal with human behavior and then confide with myself. I saw any begu. But make sure I do begu. Listen to me. If NDC, a real election 2028,
yeah.
On to me take credit. No. Reverend Owusu Bempah, say NDC we need 2028 elections. On to me take the credit. Tell you because we have a lot of NDC pastors. Almost one prophesy say NDC will win 2028. Haven't we heard some before? Jamaica what say. They said year 2024, yeah, babe to abano. Tama no prophesy say President Mahama ntimi president bi no. That ana Badu Kobi, Reverend Badu Kobi, and prophet Niger Jesse mo prophesy say 2024 NDC will win the power. Jamaica what say. And son or Bekabi. Beside that, what the bar in the physical realm, me as a logician, meaning say, who follow the history of Ghana politics, the information of Ghana politics, ababi about your ATS, ababi about your ATS. So logically, Ubatimi Akase, this will get ATS. Remember, the only opportunity MPP ever to win 2028 is say, NDC will be fielding new candidates. In our history, our Ghana politics, no, party be fielding fresh candidate. I want to be our contested pay, a contested what we need that. And I say, Obia, when a certain president be contested, we need a see that, a B see that. That's the only opportunity NDC MPP has going into 2028 elections. But me information, I mean, from the 1982 barrier, when you're 8 years. So you can also be informed by that information to say that LPP wouldn't come to power. And an 8-year-old girl cried say NDC 1, they had 8 years. LPP 1, they had 8 years. 2000 NDC 2 had 8 years. LPP 2 had 8 years.
Yeah, but be to me see.
Yes, and I will tell you why. Not sorry to be good. Check. Listen, say, Dr. NDC we need to take credit. Dr. Bawumia winia ebe collapse na sorry.
Na say Bawumia na winia na sorry ni begu.
Yes,
that's what you're saying.
Yes, I'm saying that say NDC winia nyo onwa because people be bri akada. So be winning and I pay the information of physical realm. Say NDC winia nyanwa because ababi aba onya 8 years. But Dr. Bawumia winia na sorry ni begu. Because people will come to realize that we are a certain man of God. I'm telling you.
That what to mean cancer man of God.
Yes,
I know. Obekachan is all your certain.
Make sure you go to a certain man of God.
Oh, that be want to mean
apart from Adidi Atemno, make sure you go to a certain man of God. What kind of Pew Ghana researcher? Pew Research Center. A research firm, a global research firm. Almost the fastest growing major religion in the world, Islam. Tell you, Islam. Now 2010 equals 2028. 10 years. Nipa 347 million. And a core Islam. And no matter the quality Christianity, crawling, ethnic growth is Islam. One of the key factor we have theology, you have to be Christian apologetic. So Christian apologetic, you know, we defended the Bible and the Christianity because there are some exposés be our Bible more. And sometimes and conform with you say it does not make sense to them. For example, with the Bible say, Tama Ken Ku, Ninia Abel, no, Ken Coin, and or Cowarren or way. That time you see the path for the net, we are saying, why not Cowarren? You need a theologian to break that to them. So people read the Bible and this Christian apologetic, when they don't understand it, they go to Islam. That is one too. Okay. Obviously, the lifestyle of today, the lifestyle of the modern men of God, the lifestyle of the modern men of God is reducing, reversing people from Christianity. The lifestyle, and that lifestyle, Reverend Owusu Bempah.
Are you saying he's only a man of God?
Are you
saying he's not spiritual?
That's why you're spiritual or not. No minimum kumasi. The friend in Libya, Bobo pa. Bobo the friend in Libia, Bobo pa. No minimum say Yamen sound so. But you walk a canon and I sound and I win him. No minimum say Yamen sound. But you walk a minimum say I don't know because a true man of God will do this. You let me come to my ear. And the quality make us say, oh yeah, settings man of God, they say. Boss, so with this idea, make a obviously some lifestyle of some men of God contribute to reverse the progress of Christianity. Listen, inconsistency of some of the men of God. A man for Christianity. A man fire reluctant. They don't go to church because of this inconsistency. Listen, Reverend Owusu Bempah, NDC 2. Rasmu Barak, I am a boss. Tell you, I'm catching Ghana for say. Tamana Reverend Owusu Bempah Basi NDC for no. Reverend Owusu Bempah Bawumia say Yamano Okshekas. Ama farmer no. If you want to start to say or criticize NDC day in and day out, every day NDC is because of that. That's what Rasmu Barak told us. So it looks like say Adie Bia and favor Reverend Owusu Bempah. Not that Kotana already them say as or prophesied it. Let me tell you something. Adie no Okeka and NPP and then Bempah. It is not about Obiao. And two things. One, he can't bear the pain that his candidate in the NPP, Alan Chamatin, did not become the flag bearer.
And the candidate.
Yes, the candidate in Alan Chamatin. And you want me still on me override that pain, overpower that pain. Say Alan Chamatin to be a flag bearer. That is one. Two, he cannot stand to see a Muslim becoming president of this country. Reverend Owusu Bempah hates Islam and he doesn't want. Yes, he hates. Sorry for using this word. But he hates somebody or a Muslim to become a president. Meaning Jamaica. The candidate Alan Chamatin did not win, and then MPP back opposition, and on person a Muslim to become a president. And he's not doing it for NDC. He's doing it because or have a pain. Reverend Owusu Bempah say, Sheikh Niwi Sharabutu. His eminence. Ebe the creation. 2019. That time now catch say I'm catch on. I cannot tell. But he said that at that time no he said a Sheikh NDC agenda. I'm telling you. No he said Sheikh NDC agenda. And maybe we a man of God. Let's say Ubo NDC. What me a recording will be head a recorded at Jababoti. No one kasa malign people that were NDC that are no NPP no malign. Some men of God on here NDC for we was malign them.
Oh yes, sure.
Yeah, I have heard the video. And you very say audio no malign Apostle General Krachanka. You know the reason why Krachanka no person be heard him. Chama money President Mahama ekobu kotojuro mo say gunu so. You understand? Obi bia opposite side say that is why I feel that look he's losing it because you are with NPP. Just me carry you. Oba FDC I started criticizing a Prophet Kusi Boateng. Eti adie bia and favor the bia no ahanye that is how Reverend Owusu Bempah. Reverend Owusu Bempah catch and say President Mahama can never be president. Or NPP for who you are dead me boy. What to global want to be? So many videos around me. Was it President Muhammad to be president in PM when we the Duma? What to say? Dr. Bawumia winning and the flag bearer. No, who said no? What to be tell my Dr. Bawumia be a president because Alan Chamatin and say Keba and no cross carpet echo say and Nyamese Mahama Kuma Pentino and Nyamesa do Manashanisa. You were in the change of government here. There's no way people could have won that election. You will change of government here. There's no way an NPP bet me with power. Jamaica what I say. And I say Yameka the Kaya. No man of God didn't be Bebredi Kadada. Bebredi Kadada. Was the President Muhammad to be your president? That is my information. The information is said there's video actualities twice. Our guy said President Mahama to be your president. But today, President Mahama, by the grace of God, is the president of this country, and we are all enjoying this microeconomic indicators. And then yet to be took and then inflation dollar dina.
Nanu bini say on penny or tisun to be your president. Na a sebi or so for Casabana so Casa Sisia the assessor and saying a beba unini.
I don't believe you. So make to get the revenue should be paid. So I apologize to MP. Pay what he has said. I want to sorry them.
But did you believe him then?
Listen, Mamma tried to quit you. Maybe young revenue should be passing. Why no a powerful person that never knew.
And now you're powerful.
The reason why I make a choice say, no. Minus what I see a powerful, I cannot tell. Because the minimum say, those days in Kumasi and conform to be prophesied now them. On one castle will be Pierre Bishop Danka Williams defeat. I'm a pay free buy. The American watch I say. Get them Owusu Bempah. You do better me. But the Waki cannot sort of demon, man of God, the Pian, yes, sir. Man of God, the beauty, come on, I saw the devil Pian, I may send it to PM. What's in my house will be the house of prayer and my words. So, Obiafin will be a regular no with me. But you do in the tea, Nessa, Sanyamin, someone soon or Cassan, and I'll be very surprised. That's what I read to you. The Pew Research Center for Cassan. The fastest growing, the father say, religion, major religion in the world, Islam, because of some of these things. So today, say me obia, may I apologetic, na me pese me join, me pese afede me obia me and coffee kwa pharmacy, conform GG or no money. Then me pese me join religion, me back Christianity, and the first word that me share Kesben TV. No matter say, Reverend Owusu Bempah kasa do I go to Islam. Because we so be the atom. They make a lot of myself. And I make a choice, you know. But the working canon recently no more what can say Muhammad to be your president to be President Muhammad became president. Said Nuru Saributu Bewu or can 2019. Papa Natnasia for 7 years or that's what Yasinamia Domarapa. You see, we don't do that.
I said, Yamia, what dear. Say, what can say Abia and we be see, Nasa and see, and no chess any penny fake, and any penny setters. I don't know when you're going to obey JD.
Who say it's like, so only her, as a semi can see, Samaha, as a semi can see, Sadam, there's a DC for.
Oh, there, you are see, say, it will your full nan to her, Unjuma, or Yuma. You as I said, we your full nan to her, Unjuma Yuma. Meaning, no, me there. So for the least are butum aye in the don't follow for politics. So for mfano home follow for politics. So for there every candidate be a to me bawo for advice. Wako to abe mama to me bawo, Bawumia to me bawo, uwo kukuem secrets. Anya upodium anade auditorium hompo. Bawo secrets. Na a mount a wasor a tum for there. Wonko to aba in a peaceful way. Whoever they want to vote for, they should go and do it in a peaceful way. We are need to gain info. There, you're a man bapa. Be a good citizen. Ma unju man yinambu a grono. Man too urenguha. Man corruption. Man we are by insta. Man day. But in the Ghana no. Chede. Asofo no ayama. Adda ho chede. Because one yam will be infi want you. I am normal. To the extent that, look at what this man is saying. And about Bawumia to me mbapa wada. Or about to ama MPP biano or bodomel as if he has powers. When you say Akubam Kroyibi, Papa Pina would seem ayo gong and kede it to fo. All the MPP I wadana show at least it can wa be boom na it to fo. Yes, Maka MPP phone kwasiafo. Otto din your share na MPP for one hour no we MPP now we had their we saying. Oh, this is how politics has eaten into religion in the country called Ghana. Owusu Bempah, why no pasa, why no poto? We gunu hweni mase tan. Just because wa mani yefun edi nanim. Ndwuma no oli yina me. Ofo no bae no, Owusu no, o ma na soro ma no poto mo, wo show ashem. To kan kwasiasam, o de Nyankopon din le kan kwasiasam. The people I pity are the people who are there sitting there listening to him. Inke yimnyansa anko start academy me na afa bag, whether you are NDC, whether you are MPP, whether you are neutral, afa bag na kada papa onya correct na ko. But you see, when people start defending people, they stop defending the truth. And you be a or your suffer, be a walk to school, be a Oscar, be a Dibia, be a no yimnyansa. Fana ye Jimmy for the man fashion team. Fana miss wedding, we ye Jimmy for. and the youth should learn how to start calling these people out.
From all looks, initially, from my point of view, I felt like Owusu Bempah was strongly in line with the MP party. It is okay supporter or the party no who do the party no. Last minute ye change na. Only you say the term of his arrest was unjust. Although say on the boys actually to call Agada fee any side issue no Bempah regional so actually no Ghana for you na cancer Bempah I there with Prophet Isaac Owusu Bempah there. Only say this is the payback time. It know that arrest was not fair. But on the other hand, Utie Strabo any Ziga point of view, Omuchen say possibility say Prophet Isaac Owusu Bempah a support to MPP party no with a carnal desire, and I said he had a material interest in mind. And an insane to man casa material interest no, and a number of man for more than 4 years were consistent in raining insult and curses on the party. It was everything being equal. The comment section is yours. That's the only way we can know how you are receiving our messages. Please drop a comment there, and also don't forget to subscribe to our page. Press on the bell so that you can get in touch whenever we make any new uploads.